Welcome! This is healthandyum, where we mix delicious recipes with nutrition and health tips. My name is Alina, and today we are making... oh my goodness. Okay. As I was saying, we are making a delicious kale salad that nourishes the brain, helping us have a clear mind during the day. We start by removing the tough stems, then break the leaves into smaller pieces. I love using kale in my meals as it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that play a role in keeping the brain cells in tip-top shape. Let's give the kale a thorough rinse and gently pat it dry using a kitchen towel or paper towel. Using a knife, cut the kale into smaller, more manageable pieces. To take its texture to the next level, gently massage the kale with your fingers. This salad is vegetarian. Good sources of protein are crispy chickpeas, grilled chicken or turkey, and feta, which we'll use today. We are using walnuts in this kale salad as they provide a delicious and natural way to support brain health due to their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, folate, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Toast 1 cup walnut pieces in a small frying pan over medium heat until they become fragrant and slightly golden. Next, let's core the apple and cut into delicious bite-sized pieces. It's now time to whip up a delicious dressing by simply combining a few ingredients in a jar with a lid. 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 garlic clove, half teaspoon sea salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Give the jar a good shake until well mixed. Dance moves are mandatory. If you are a garlic lover, feel free to add more for an extra kick of flavor. Garlic has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can play a role in brain health by shielding brain cells from losing their mojo. In a large bowl, combine all the salad ingredients: 1/3 cup of raisins, half cup of crumbled feta cheese, 1 apple, 1 cup of walnuts, and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. Feel free to switch things up by using dried cranberries or dried cherries instead of raisins. Either choice will be a winner. Pour on the dressing and make sure that all the ingredients are beautifully coated. By the way, have you ever tried making kale salad? If you have, I'd love to know about your favorite ingredients that make it truly special. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the flavor if necessary with a little more lemon juice or sea salt. Then pop it in the fridge and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. If you like this kale salad recipe, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video where we make another brain healthy recipe, a quick and easy pasta salad that is perfect for meal prep and busy days.